How to black out text in PDF. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video I will guide you how you can black out text on PDF. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So if you have some of the text on your PDF that you want to black out, for that what you have to do is you have to use this web tool that is Sesa.com. So open up a new tab, head towards the Sesa.com. Once you're here, click on edit a PDF document. Here, this website is free to use. So here, click on edit a PDF. Now, click on upload PDF file. Then you have to upload the PDF file that you want to edit, or that you have a text where you want to black out. Click on open. Now, once you have added your PDF, scroll down a bit and select the text that you want to black out here. So for example, I have this certain text that I want to black out. So for that, navigate to this toolbar at the top. Here, you have to click on whiteout. Once you click on it, now you will see this kind of cursor in your interface. Now with the help of this, click on the mouse, then you have to select the text. Once you're done selecting your text, you can just leave it. Now it has been white out. To change its color to black, click on this drop down here that says background color. Then you could change your white color into black. Now the text is blacked out. So you could do the same for the other text as well. So once you're done with that, click on apply changes, and once it is done, now you could download your PDF with the text blacked out. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.